Hi guys, and welcome to Keys Kids Adventures. Today we are building a shadow box for my awesome looking Megalodon tooth. So let's get started. Day 2, it took 24 hours to dry, but it's fully dried, and we're going to be attaching the plexiglass door to it. Done with the tracing. We're going to have to use a razor blade, but I'm going to let my dad do that. Okay, so we're gonna flip it over and put these on. It's just so I can mount it on my wall. Got my hinges. Gotta let them all dry. And this super glue, just so you know, it dries quickly. Okay, it's almost all the way through. And I gotta make sure it's in it and see what it looks like. Oh my, that looks awesome. Time to go mount it on my wall. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.